Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and disconnect Instagram from Facebook. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, we will simply go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to disconnect your Instagram from Facebook, let's go ahead and open our Instagram app. Apparently the connection, let's go ahead and open our Instagram. Tap on this profile icon right over here. You will go to this three horizontal line right there. Go to the settings option. Now you will scroll and find this account center, right? Go ahead, tap on that, and if you tap on that, you will be able to find this account settings called accounts right over here. Go ahead, tap on that, and now you will be able to find the accounts that are connected. So for example, you can see the Facebook account is connected with the Instagram account. So when we post a story or post anything, it redirects to our Facebook and gets posted as well. So if you don't want to do that, go ahead, tap on this remove option right there in Facebook account. Scroll down, you will find this another remove account option. Tap on it, and now if you tap on that option, continue option, and then you will be able to remove your account from there in your Instagram and from Facebook. Your accounts will be separate and you can use it as you would like to. And if you want to again add that account, you can come over here and add your account. So yes guys, this is the way. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.